Barre. Today I've got a Barre Express workout for you. It's under 20 minutes. Grab a light set of hand weights and we're gonna get started. So let's come into a parallel position, feet under those hips. Let's raise our arms up, shoulders back, pedal those heels. So I want you to imagine that you're hugging a big beach ball. Good. Force that arch in your heel. You've got this. 4. Pull those abs up and in, shoulders down. 4, 3, 2. Let's alternate our arms. Lift, lift. Keep those shoulders down. When we lift, they want to come and touch our ears, but we're not going to let them, right? 4, 3. How's your posture? 2. All right, we're going to lunge it out to the right. Take it out and in. Add an arm. Really reach. Knee is lining up with those toes. You've got this. Out and in. Out and in. 4, 3, 2. Hold it here. Give me a passe. Fall to the side. Lift, fall. If you pull those abs up and in, they're going to help with your balance at the top. All right, can you hold it at the top? Passe, kick it back. If you're like me, you're probably kicking your wall. But point that toe, abs up and in, and engage those glutes when you kick it back. 4, 3, 2, bring it down. Reset, hug your ball, pedal those heels. Whew, catch your breath. I told you my basement is very small where I record. So odds are, I'll mess up my curtains. I'll kick the wall, but who cares? 4, 3, 2, alternate those arms, lift and lower. Woo, that's fun. Feel those shoulders sliding into place. You've got 4, 3, beautiful. We're gonna lunge to the left. Here we go, so lunge it out and in. Circle that arm, really reach. You've got this, out and in. 4, 3, 2, 1, bring it in, passe, fall. So that passe is turned in. Your toes are finding your knees. Give me 4. Abs up and in to help with that balance. And out, hold it here, right? Passe, kick it back. If you need to grab a chair to help with your balance, hey, go for it. Engage those booties. You've got this. Come on. 4, 3, bring it parallel, releve, plie. Send those hips back, right? We want our knees lining up with our toes, but they don't go past our toes. Lift and lower, lift and lower. 4, 3, 2, sit it down, little pulse. Woo! It's like you're sitting in a chair and you want to break, but then your kids come and ask for another snack. I don't know anything about that. Little baby pulses. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Let's grab our weights. You only need a light set of hand weights. Maybe 1s, 2s, 3s, none. Up like you're hugging a beach ball. Take it out to the side, slow. Close, hug that beach ball, open. You're moving through thick mud, right? Effort out, ooh, effort in. Working hard to keep those shoulders even. I know it's hard, give me singles. Out, plie, if you want. Little demi plie. I like to work our arms, then we'll work our legs, get a little cardio, and work our core. Hold it out to the side, flip up, bicep in. Squeeze that bicep. Pull those abs up and in. Try to keep your standing legs soft. We don't need to lock them up like this, right? Keep them soft. 4, 3, 2, flip those palms down, flip up. Ooh, that's tough. Even though it's a tiny little movement, oh yeah, you're gonna feel that. Flip. 4, 3, all right, hold it here, bring it down to your hips. Down, 2, ooh, that's tough. Down, and effort up, right? We do effort down. Seems like it would be easy, but our moves have purpose. Let's do singles. You can add that plie again if you want. So in this case, you do want to straighten up those legs, pull those abs up and in, and squeeze those booties. Engage those inner thighs. 4, 3, 2, flip your palms forward, serve your tray. pull it back. Feel it between those shoulder blades. Press, so you can see I really squeeze my shoulder blades forward. You're serving that tray to the front. Front. All right, let's do singles. Ready? Press, pull, press, pull. Effort out, effort back. Squeeze those shoulder blades. 4, 3, you got this. 2. All right, hold it out. Give me a high bicep to the front. In, extend, in. Whew. So here's another opportunity to really think about keeping those shoulders down. They're gonna wanna do this, but we won't let them. And out, 4, 3, 2, bring them side, press up slow on the right. Keep that shoulder down, good. Left, bring it down. Think about that posture. Proud chest, abs up and in. Press. All right, let's do singles, here we go. Push through that mud, push, down, push, and pull. You got this, shoulders down, effort up, effort down. You got this, 4, 3, don't forget to breathe, and don't forget to smile. Let's do both arms with a releve plie. Press, bring it down, press, and down. A little extra leg action there. Takes away how our arms are feeling, right? Lift and lower. 4, 3, 2, 1, bring it down. Let's put our weights down. All right, we're gonna work on our legs. Let's bring that right leg back, bent, turned out, attitude lift. Lift, lower. You gotta squeeze that booty. So my leg is turned out, my toes are pointed. I can feel this in the under booty there. Lift and lower. If you want, grab a chair for balance, hold it up, little pulse. Now your pulse is an inch down, inch up. You gotta really feel it in those tiny muscles in your glutes that thought you didn't know they existed, but we do. 4, 3, 2, we're going to extend to the side, back, extend to the front. This takes a lot of effort and balance out to the front. 4, abs up and in. Try not to lock that standing leg. All right, bring it front. Attitude lift, lift and lower. Good, lift. So you can see it's bent and turned out. I probably have to move back a little bit for you guys, sorry. Lift and lower. Try not to lock that standing leg. Lift and lower. Hey, let's hold it up for those pulses, okay? Pulse. Woo! Little baby pulses. Inch down, inch up. It takes a lot of control. And your inner hips, inner thighs are feeling this. 4, 3, 2, turn it in like the warm-up. It's up, kick it back, to the front, to the back, up, push back, grab something for balance, lift, press it back, engage those glutes. 4, 3, 2, bring it down, other side, lift and lower, I'll back up, lift. So you're on that attitude lift. I'm definitely kicking my wall. So it's turned out and it's bent. So it's really engaging those glutes, those tiny muscles. You got this. Here we go. Hold up, little pulse. Pulse. Woo! Oh, make sure to breathe. Abs. Draw that navel into your spine. That helps with your balance. It also protects your lower back, which is something we definitely want to do, okay? 4, 3, 2, we do those extends to the side. Out, back, extend to the front. Really engage those muscles, point those toes, build in those quads. Out, in, out, in. 4, 3, bring it front, back up, lift and lower. Lift, it's turned out good. Front attitude lift, right? It's got attitude because it's bent, it's turned out, it doesn't listen to the rules. 4, 3, 2, hold it up for those pulses. Woo. Now as always, like I said, arms can be here, arms can be here, they can be here. I want you to feel successful. I want you to think about your arms. I don't want you worried about, I want you to think about your legs. Don't worry about your arms. All right, that passe turn out, front to the back. Lift, kick it back. Hopefully you can see, otherwise I would definitely just be kicking that wall. Lift and back. 4, 3, 2, bring it center. Give me that releve plie in parallel. Sending those hips back into that squat. Lift, lower, pull those abs up and in. 4, 3, 2, sit it down, 4 pulses, pulse. Woo. Yes. Inch down, inch up, Knees, line up with those toes. They don't go past those toes. You got this. Come on, we're almost there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo, shake it out. Okay, so now it's time for cardio. So I always do cardio sections in my class. Get those heart rates up, maximize all that amazing sculpting we just did. So let's get our heart rates up. Then we're gonna hit the ground for core, stretch it out, get on with our day. Let's jump your imaginary rope. Jump. Woo! Just moving our arms like this helps get our heart rates up. If you want, you can march, right? But let's still move those arms. All right, here we go. 4, 3, 2, take it side to side. It's back and back. Sit it back. Send those hips back. Woo! 4, 3, woo! Feel it in those booties. We're going to those passe fall aways. Lift, push, up, fall away. Pull those abs up and in. Lift and down. 4, 3, come on. 2, 1, jump your rope again. Woo! All right, let's catch our breaths. Again, you can march. No big deal, right? Whatever you want. 4, 3, woo, 2. All right, we're gonna send our hips back. Here we go, ready? Back. You can add the arms if you want. It's almost like we're speed skating a little bit down here. Get into those booties. Send it back. All right, passe, fall away. We go lift, fall, passe, fall away. Love a rhyme. Oh, we can do it. Pull those abs up and in. Lift, lift. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Hey, jump your rope, double. Again, you don't like this, you can just bounce your heels or you can march. It's all good. 4, 3, come on, we're almost there. 2. All right, give me some alternating attitude lifts. Lift. Woo. Pull those abs up and in if you want. Twist. Working those obliques. We're very tricky here. 4, 3, we're almost there. 2, 1. All right, let's hit the ground for core. All right, guys, it's time for core. Let's come on down to our mats. We're gonna roll down on those backs. You can keep those feet hip distance apart. Leave some space, like there's a tennis ball under your chin. Abs up and in, okay? We're gonna roll up slow on a count of 2, like so. Crunch, 2, bring it down, good. It's just a crunch, like you're imagining you're bringing your top abs to kiss those lower abs. Reach those fingertips forward, reach, and down. Singles, press, lift, oh my goodness, lift. Woo! Are you scooping out those abs? You got this. Like you're reaching for those ankles. 4, 3, 2, can you hold it up for pulses? Pulse. Ooh, that's hard. Woo! No denying that, right? That's tough. 4, woo! 3, 2, 1, roll it down. All right, let's take our hands behind our head. Give ourselves a little support here. Again, leave the space for that tennis ball. Legs go up to the sky. I don't care if there's a bend in them. It's okay. All right, we're gonna curl up. Drop that right leg down for 2. It's down. 2. And lift. Try to keep those elbows wide. And lower. Good. Bring it down. And lift. Beautiful. If you don't like this, you can put your head down. We're just trying to keep our lower back on the ground, singles. So you want to make sure that lower back is on the ground. You can put your hands under your lower back if that helps. Down. Lift. Down. 4, 3, let's take out that pause. Scissor those legs. Ooh, that's tough. Scissor those legs. That's not easy, huh? 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, hug it in, take a little break here, okay? Woo. All right, again, we're gonna bring our hands behind our head, okay? Legs go up to the sky. We're gonna drop both down to the ground. Hands behind our head, curl it up. We're gonna drop it down on a count of 3 and then up 1. 2, 3, lift, take it down, 2, 3, and lift, scoop out those abs, 3, this is hard, down, 2, 3, let's reverse it, take it down 1, up, 2, 3, I love this exercise, up, 2, 3, come on, 2 more, up, 2, 3, almost there, then we can stretch it out, up, 2, 3, hug it in, roll it down, extend your body long, point those toes, take those arms up, over your head, pull that navel into your spine, full body stretch, oh, so beautiful, oh, so important to stretch after we work out, right? We want to lengthen, elongate those muscles. We want to help our muscles recover quickly so we can come back and do it again another day. We also want to help prevent injury, most important, right? All right, hug those knees in. Carefully rock yourself up to seated. Now, I want you to stretch your legs long in front of you. Again, if you stretch your legs long, there's a bend. It's okay. I just want you to sit up nice and tall. Give yourself a nice deep breath up. Pull those abs up and in, forward fold. Now, you're gonna get a stretch through your legs. But I also want you to think about stretching out that lower back there. Especially after that core work, huh? All right, roll that up. Let's come around. If you can, stack that right foot, that right leg on top of that left leg like so. If it's not comfortable, just do crisscross applesauce, that's fine. Reach up, forward fold. Now, I'm gonna scooch back so you can see me a little better. When you do your forward fold, I want you to go to the point of where your sit bones start to come up. And then stay there. You're gonna get a great stretch through those glutes. Roll that up. Carefully grab that right ankle and pull it into those glutes to stretch the front there, those quads. It's gonna feel really good. Good, let's release that. And this time, let's take that left leg over on top. Reach up, forward fold until you feel those sit bones coming up, up. Don't let them come up, keep them down so you can feel that stretch. Roll that up. Go ahead, grab that ankle carefully, pull it in, that heel to those glutes, stretch in front of those quads. Awesome. I'm gonna talk while we keep stretching. We'll reach up, grab a hold of one wrist, stretch over. You guys are awesome for coming today to take care of yourself. It's so important. I hope you like this video. Interlace those fingers, roll it around to the front. Really stretch out the front of that spine, hugging a beach ball. Roll it over. Like this video, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notifications bell so you know when my new videos are coming out. Oh, reach up. Open it up. Good job, guys. You can follow me on Instagram at Molly at the Bar, and you can visit my website, mollyattthebar.com. I'm so unbelievably proud of you for coming today to take care of your health for both your head and your heart. Until next time.